It's a new dawn, it's a new day, and today we're gonna do another ride. We're gonna go towards Netherlands. We're not gonna cross the border because they're closed right now because of the coronavirus. But we're gonna hug the wall. We're gonna hug the border, and we're gonna ride along the border. There's a beautiful landscape over there, as far as you can go in Belgium, because there's not so many magnificent landscapes here like you have in the Alps. I'm not gonna go there alone. I'm gonna bring my girlfriend and my dog. They're gonna take place here on the CB500X, and yeah, gonna have a fun day. It's beautiful weather outside. It's beautiful for the time of year. Every time there's this kind of weather, blue skies, sun, I just want to ride if I can. And today we can, so let's go. Yo. I'm at 11,500 kilometers, and I think my tires need to be changed because every week it really goes down the pressure too much actually. So 500 kilometers, there will be new tires. Great day. These are the places where I don't worry about leaving my helmet on the bike, because these places people just don't steal stuff. Like more than 99% of the time it's safe around here. So yes, relax and enjoy the sun. Although it's very cold, my toes are really aching because of the cold, which normally doesn't really bother me, so that's saying something. And if you look at shadows, there's snow. So and that's pretty rare here in Belgium actually. It's maybe 4 days, 5 days in a whole year that we see snow. So every time there is snow, it's like, wow, snow. What do you think of this day? Do you like the weather?
Nee,
Nee?
nee.
No?
Dankjewel.
The girl is grumpy. Get away from me.
Dila, heavy.
It's pretty cold outside. We've had a little walk back and forth. There's not much room to walk here, so just gonna ride on. Not gonna go very long. I think it's gonna be less than an hour from right now. Update, she's not grumpy anymore. Alright, that was it for this video. Did you enjoy the ride? It was cold, wasn't it? I filmed this little clip on my phone when I was done with work and there was all this snow on my bike. I'm about to find out how the CBX performs in snow for the first time. I'm at my work, so I'm heading back home and it's just started snowing outside for the first time this year. So yeah, let's see what this brings us. I still have got the stock tires on, so just the street tires, and I'm riding in like a city area, so the people of the city have you know, how you say it, they've distributed salt all over the roads, so normally it should be okay, but you know, it's always a bit exciting, so let's see. Riding in the snow was a bit terrifying, but I felt like the bike could handle it. There wasn't much snow on the roads, and when there was, I was just going very slow. So yes, bike can do it. Just be really careful when you do it. But anyways, the ride is done. We're gonna have a little snack here at the gas station, and then we're gonna go home. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll guess this movie.